We're going to post a message to a player who's in a cafe. So we'll click the cafe screen in New South Wales. It's in Sydney CBD and it's Espresso Bianco. So then we're not going to put an image in this one. We're just going to write them a direct message. Enjoy your coffee, Lord Deli. You'll need it to make it through a tough day of battle ahead.
So with Game of Phones, we wanted the gameplay to be outside the phone. So we worked with oOh Media to develop a digital display system that could send targeted messages to players and to regions with dynamic messaging during the game.
We came to oOh Media for their massive digital network across retail, fly and cafe. We briefed them on a CMS so that we could control any individual panel by itself or across the network, and really the results are amazing.